Hello anime fans and card collectors, I'm Tomex and today we are unboxing this display box of collecting, card collecting is apparently what this name is, or this company's name is. It's kind of a bit hard, but it kind of says underneath it, of Detective Conan 2 yen pack box. This is, I believe, probably series 1 for this set. Not really sure. Not say much, but yeah, this is for the animation cards for the animation Detective Conan. We have Detective Conan here, Detective Conan card game. On top we have Edogawa Conan, we have Hybrid Eye and more around here. It says there's 30 packs in this box, and we have Detective Conan in the Chinese logo. All right, as usual, let's go through the dimension of this box. I'm actually surprised how it kind of came really clean. I mean, the corners are not really bent as some of the other ones that I got. So these boxes are almost 6 inches wide. They're about 5 inches tall, and almost 3 inches thick. Alright, so this is the front of the box. That's it, the characters. It has a to render all Sherlock Holmes kind of style. It's a light brown color background. Look on the bottom, we have Detective Conan here in English and Chinese, and then we have Edogawa Conan, Ayumi, and Hybrid Eye over here. On this side, this logo just covering a bit of it, but it is a little I'll show this back a bit once I remove it. Has a caution tape here, says keep out. You have Edogawa Conan and Moiran here. On the back here, this is where you have the information. So I did get a little dent here. Logo, manufacturer information, the series numbers and all that, and then warning sign and barcode. On this side, it looks like it's the same as the other side. So that's that. On the bottom, there's nothing, just foil. All right, without further ado, let's unleash these packs. Remove it without doing too much damage. Okay, that didn't work. Is the same as the other side. Let's see what's inside. All right, nothing there. So okay, so I got 2 red packs. So these gotta be like packs are for like some kind of lottery system, or redemption card in this set. That's interesting. Cards. Okay, that's the box. Nothing else in there. Side. All right, we're gonna put these 2 up here. We're gonna do that for the end. And then we have all our packs here. So I'm gonna do a lucky shuffle as usual, and take this opportunity to thank you all for tuning to this video. Hope you like these kind of videos. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been there, you probably noticed I already have a lot of Detective Conan card unboxing videos on my channel. So feel free to check those out. After this video, if you're interested, it's a long-running series. It's really a great series. Every episode is like a little crime story. and it's yeah, it just makes you feel. It kind of really is a thriller to watch these animations. So it's been great to see these cards. Apparently, there's a lot more, and then they do have official Japanese cards that are for some games, TCG style. So yeah, just check it out. Also, we do other unboxing of cards. We do Marvel, DC's, random card packs on weekends, other anime cards that we can find. Just all to share the experience of opening packs and exploring. Especially, sometimes we find those vintage ones that we kind of all forgot what was in there. So that's another great experience to unpack those. All right, so let's unpack them and let's see what we get in this set. So first of all, this is what the pack looks like. You got the logo of the manufacturer on the upper left. Upper right have the 2 yen pack suggest retail price. You got Edogawa Conan in front with a detective coat and a magnifying glass with Moiran in the back. Edogawa Conan or Detective Conan logo down there. And then you have Caution from top to bottom on the right side. On the back, there's nothing new information that you haven't seen on the box. All right, let's see. Okay, I probably have seen these already. So these are thicker cards. There's only 3 cards per pack. Oh, this is a different background. I've never seen these kind of backgrounds too. So let's see what we get. All right, just gonna go for it. So you get 3 different backgrounds. They're also different for different rarity of the cards. You see. So for 2 impacts, we get some good hits. Okay, so first one. This looks like this is an SSR card. So this looks like a scene from the animation. Or I think, no, it looks like a third party. I don't remember Kudo Shinichi had this kind of scene yet. And look at foil and all that on this. So you got a card number up here, your rarity, Detective Conan down there, and the scene there. Nice little border. On the back, you have Detective Conan in the Chinese in the middle, a brick background, and a little chibi head icons of multiple characters. So we got Edogawa Conan in the front. This one should be Jin from the Black Organization. Mori Kotoro. Moriran. Kaido Kid. This one, I'm not sure who this one is, but this looks like Kotoha from the different prefecture. All right, so that's that. Let's see, I'll put that here. These are the common cards. Next, we got an SR card. Should be a less rarity because SSR should be more rare than SR. This is by a third-party artist. So it looks like you got Edogawa Conan and Hybrid in what do we call those? Monkey gyms? Those in the park. And then you have some icons down here, some 4 circles there. The card number down here, and then one of his catchphrase, truth is always be one. On the top you have SR here, you have Detective Conan here, and the same foiling. On the back you have a blue brick background, and you have kind of the same characters again. Edogawa Conan, Kotoha, and then this is Heiji, the baseball cap. Jin, Moiran, Mori Kotoro, and Kaido Kid, and the Professor. Alright, so that's that. Then we have a QR card, so like a chibi card of Vermouth one of the ladies of the Black Organization. So you just got a rainbow foil of her as a waitress. And on the back, you got a nice blue background with Edogawa Conan and Kudasinichi's shadow, and Detective Conan in both Chinese and English. Nice and simple, like that. All right, we got some other backgrounds here. So the first one always will be a SSR card. So that's like the lowest card you get, and it's in everyone. So this is from an animation. This is from the anime. Yep, definitely the more rounder head. So this one, oh, fun fact, the artist is not before she was famous with Edogawa Conan or Detective Conan. She had another great animation or a manga called Yaiba, which is like a samurai theme, and she always have a character that resemble like a teenage version of him. So this is the guy that looks like Yaiba from her previous animation. So yeah, having to come in, calling that out, yeah, or a nod to an old work. So there's that background, same background. All right, we have an SR. This one, I don't think this is the right image. This looks like some kind of like old Chinese reference animation. Definitely not the Edogawa Detective Conan tone for SR. Same background there. And then we got a nice film background with rainbow color. It says Kudo Shinichi and highlight him, but it looks like he is dressed as Edogawa Conan with glasses and sort of an adult version of the suit. And then you got Detective Conan kind of highlighted there. This is a nice card. It's a UR card if you look at the card number down there. UR card. And this one on the back, you get, similar silhouettes, but some more colors. Try to, all right, next pack. Get that out of the way. All right. Okay, we got a pink background this time. So first of all, we have, this is one of those New Year scenes on the SSR. Oh, looks like we got another SSR. This one looks like Edogawa Conan and his classmates are enjoying sakura and on a boat. And then we have a ZR card. Not sure what that stands for, but this is Kotoha. We got Detective Conan there, Detective Conan, rainbow foil, ZR. Got his name, her name, and I think that's probably like a flavor text. And then on the back you got pink. That's like a character card. All right. All right, we got our background here. Okay, looks like we skipped something. We start with the SR card, and it looks like we got different characters dressed up as Kaido Kid. Definitely fan art. We got Ray or Zero in a, I don't know what kind of pose or what kind of fashion that is. Totally not his style. On the ZR. And then, we got something here. This one is, Shinjichi. This is the FBI agent. So he has this kind of, what card is this? An LGR card. No, wait. Huh. It says GR here, but down here it says LGR. So I don't know what it is, which was correct. So this one looks nice. It is a little bit off to the left, but you got this kind of board, almost like illusion of a nice border around it that's printed on it. And that's some nice foiling. Yep, his name down here. Got some little gold lines in there. That's nice. Okay. Running out of space here. Let's see. Should I adjust this a little bit upper? Push this a little bit, push this up. Put that over there. You guys don't mind not seeing it. Okay, I'll put it there so you can kind of see it. Let me do it this way. I kind of want to put the more common ones on top so they don't have like different, imbalanced heights. We'll see how that works. Okay. All right, pink background. Okay, we have on the SR the two people that manage the cafe underneath the Morikotoro's office, chilling and having some pop. You get a QR version of Ray. Or oh no, what is his name? It's not Ray. Ooh. Yeah, Ray Faria. Okay. Okay, we have him like a jack-o'-lantern with the staff and a lantern there, and pumpkin jack cap. That's on the blue one. This is a QR card as well. So put that there. And then we get a SP card of another character from the Black Organization. This image is from the anime. This is a nice pose. And you can see down there that is SP. Card SP. And you have Edogawa Conan. Oh, no, Detective Conan in Japanese down there. And back. That's a nice card. Very reflective. So this one, I'll put that here for now. Different card. All right, we got Kuroshichi and some other boys in those traditional wooden sword practice gear. I like that picture actually, kind of cool. We got Heiji on the UR card, same rainbow film cell background, which is nice. And we get a Edogawa Conan on an MR card. Got like a dark brownish grayish background, says detective on top, MR over there. A third-party art of Edogawa Conan. Just Conan down there, and then the card number down there. That's a gold border and all that. Nice. Oh, we got a white card. Is this one of those redemption cards? Yes, it is. It is that redemption card. So Should be another one of this. So I believe you go back to the store and hand this over to the clerk, and they will give you one of these packs to open. So we got that. Cool. All right, let's see what we have here. Okay, we got an SSR of, looks like a promotion. I want to say this is a promotional image, because there is no way these guys will be dressing all this in a episode or movie and pose like that. All right, we have the SR card of the two folks chilling again, and we got Hedgie again on the film cell one. UR card. Did we get there? I got a pink one. We got a really dramatic shot of Edogawa Conan. I believe that is that's the karate boyfriend of Moiran's best friend, and you got Kaido Kid here. So I think this probably would have happened on a movie. That's nice. This is the traditional art style of Edogawa Conan. When they very started the first time on animation, it was kind of like this kind of art style, and started to evolve to the ones we know now. This is like a classic image on the SSR, so we got something special here. Okay, we got Ray again on the ZR card this time. No, it's also a CR card, but this one is from the animation. You pull it from the animation. So if I go back to the other one, you can see the difference of our style, but it's the same character. All right, it's gonna pick up the pace a little bit, but if there's a new card, we're gonna try to give it a little bit spotlight. Classic image, nice. Everybody's favorite ship. You really want to see them together, sharing a scarf. This is what's happening in this image. A little sticky on the cards there. And then on the ZR, we got Jin from the Black Organization. This is again from the animation. That's nice. On the ZR card. Okay, got a third-party art. This is the image of the old gang of cop academy, from the academy. So there's apparently a backstory of incidents that happened before Edogawa Kana or Kuroseichi was in their timeline started, and it's tying up to these 5 folks who were from the same police academy, but you know, most of them went to different roles in the police force and had different sort of end up in different places, sort of that like brotherly kind of story. All right, we got Edogawa Kana and his friend dressed up as pirates on the SSR. That's a new. And then on the back we got Matsuki on the rainbow frame cell. I'll start calling it that. Rainbow frame cell. UR card. Didn't forget that. These are thick cardstock. As I mentioned, if I didn't also, but it is also a little bit slippery, except for the side, so that's why it's a little bit hard to get them all together. Wow, another, you have Kuroseichi and Moiran in a wedding gown, or wedding photo on the SR. You got Moriran is a maiden on the QR code. QR card. And then we got Kudosinichi is on the name, but that is not him. That most likely a adult version, an adult rendition version of Edogawa Conan again on the GR card. Again by a third party. Alright, we have an SR card of looks like Moran and Kudosinichi chilling on top of a car. We got a QR card of Hybrid Eye in a maid outfit with bunny ears. And we got a GR card of Hybrid Eye, also by a third party, but it looks like a more stylish pink and green, not her normal color in the animation. Alright, next pack we got Kudosinichi and Hybrid Eye in the classroom. Definitely a third party art, but that's nice. We got Kasiki Eri. So this is Moiran's mother, who is a attorney on the color rainbow film cell UR card. And then we get a Hybrid Eye in a pink shirt on the SP card. This one was not pulled from the animation, but I do know a lot of people like this kind of art style. Oh, we hit our other redemption card. That's nice. Alright, got a duplicate of that one. Monkey Jun? Or Monkey Bars. We got Moiran on the ZR. It looks like she's donning a racer sport jacket. Pretty cool. This one here. And then we got Moiran again in a maid outfit, this time on the GR card. This one looks like it came out of the animation. Alright, we got Edogawa Conan and his classmates on the firework. We got a few cops posing, third party art on the SR. You got Ray on a QR card. Looks like he's kind of like a casino dealer. All right, hopefully that means we're halfway there. Oh, we got a classic, the photo before on the episode 1, before everything started. We got Kotoha on the ZR card again. We have Hybrid Eye on the MR card in a Japanese kimono, traditional fashion. have a family photo of Kudo Shinichi and his family. We have, looks like Edogawa Conan and his friends having a snow day. And back to Moiran on the QR. This is a little bit interesting. I'm not sure it does show up. Maybe you can see a little bit. But on her face here, the word Detective Conan from the back of the previous card got imprinted on this card. I try to rub it off and it's like, no, it's not, it's on there. Hopefully it fades out a little bit throughout time, but it's just imprinted on her face, half of her face. Right. We got the kids with the professor. We got Edogawa Conan and Kaido Kit with the footballs, magic cards, and skateboard. Again, third-party art. And we have a ZR card of Edogawa Conan himself in a casual wear. Nice. Saw this one already. Not sure who that is. I'm guessing it's Kudo Shinichi, but a third-party art to draw him like a more Chinese scholar. We have one of the former FBI cop on the ZR. And we have him again on the MR. All right, we have the classroom. We got Hybrid Eye and Kudo Shinichi or Edogawa Conan again. This time enjoying a drink somewhere behind some fence or in front of fence. We got QR card of the inspector. Same as our card. We got, oh, okay, Ayumi on the rainbow film cell. UR card. Oops. Oh, this is, okay, this is a nice SP card of Edogawa Conan. It's not his animation art, it's a third-party art, but quite nice getting him on an SP card. I think that's Edogawa Conan and Moiran in some kind of fantasy land. Or that could be, since we have a little like, because the thing with their third-party arts, like sometimes they draw it not too similar enough that you could recognize as them. But we do have Kaido Kid here, so maybe this is Kaido Kid and his childhood friend in some kind of fantasy world. There are fans of him. And we got Kaido Kid on a, again, looks like a racer jumper. Or maybe snowboarding jumper. Holding his trick shot gimmick in front of us. That's a nice card. Not from the anime, but a nice card. And then we got This SP card is a newer character, Seiya. Sena. Don't quote me on her name, but she is a new classmate of Moran. She has history with the main character, and she is another martial artist as well. We got the gang doing some music. We got the brother gang of Police Academy here. And we got Kudo Shinichi's father on the QR. We got the Edogawa Conan's classmate, including Hyper Eye, called themselves the Detective Boys or Detective Club. We got Heiji in some kind of a cosplay on the QR. I'm trying to be a demon or a Oni, one horn Oni. And then we have Moiran in another like race car, same race car jacket probably. Third party art on the MR. Let me double check that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the same art. They just flipped it and zoomed in. I got Edogawa Conan and Hyper Eye chilling. This time looks like they're on a breaker on the next to the sea. We got Kaido Kid on the Rainbow Cell UR card. And we got a kind of realistic rendition art of Mori Kotaro on the MR card. We got the gang in the pirate uniform. Hyper Eye and Edogawa Conan in a bed of flowers. Kaido Kid on the QR card. Looks like a high school rendition of the kids with a really old professor there. We got Kudo Shinichi's father on the QR card again, sorry. And we got Edogawa Conan or Kudo Shinichi. Wait, we saw this image before, but dressed up as Edogawa Conan or either a adult version of Edogawa Conan. Did I find that card somewhere else? I saw that image before. We saw that image before, but where did I file it? Here. So again, sort of a reuse of the same image. I don't know how I feel about that. Alright, we look like we have the detective boys in different costumes. We got a whole large wedding. Alright, so sorry about that. Recap, my camera kind of froze a little bit there, so I lost a little bit of footage. So not sure where we were, but we didn't miss that much. I think we were like 4 packs left. A lot of duplicate on the SSR. We did get these on the SR. Sorry, that's a wire to make sure I have power. We got that one. We got this one, which is like a poster image of Moiran and Kudosi Chi and the supporting cast around them. A rendition of the boys, detective boys in a high school with a older professor. You have a QR. This is duplicate one on the right. This one is Kudosi Chi as a Tengu on the QR. This is Vermouth, and Vermouth, don't know why she's called Bermoto down there, but she's from the Black Organization, so this is from the animation. This one is third-party art, someone that I'd never seen her in that kind of image. And it's interesting, it's Card.Fun. Oh, Card.Fun says on the upper right. So it's Card.Fun. All right, so that's that. So let's see here. Oh yes, we still have those two. We're gonna get to that, but this is the unboxing of the Detective Conan 2 yen pack from, I guess it is Card.Fun, but it doesn't say Card.Fun on there. It says card collecting here. 30 packs, three cards per pack, and there's always a SR card or SSR card, which so we got a lot of those, and then a hit card afterwards. So first of all, the SSR card, we got a lot of those. Got a few duplicates, and mostly these are shots from anime or from anime promotion, but we do get like third-party art, like this one, like this one, I believe. But you did also get like some like classic shots like this one. So that's that. Next is SR card that we get more. So these are like, this one I think is from a poster, but a lot of these are, this is from the animation, but a lot of them are again third-party arts. Again, classic art, classic story from episode 1. Some fan-based ones. All right, so next one, we seem to get a lot of QR ones. So these are like chibi cards of the characters. Got some duplicates. Next, I kind of like this one. I call it the Rainbow Cell, film cell, because it's like rainbow color. Not exactly rainbow color, but okay. Next, we have ZR card the most. So these are kind of like character cards. Again, some are third-party art, some are from animations. Also notice some of the arts are duplicate. And when I say duplicate, we'll see here on the SP. Next one we get SP the most. Third party art, animation art. And when I said reuse, so you see this one, there, a reuse. All right, next we got MR card. So these are in, like, looks like a high premium card with borders and all that. Again, mix a third party. This one's weird. This is like oil painting. A reuse of the card image. See? Right there. Right. And then we have the GR cards. And this card as well. All right, so we also have these redemption cards for the 2 redemption packs. So first of all, let me just make some room here for us. Two packs, 2 cards. So I don't know, but I assume you give this back to the shop owner and they'll let you choose either or get one of the packs. So 2 of these here, 2 of the packs. Let's get ripping. First pack. Okay, we got 3 cards as well. We get a SP card of Kotoha. Same one on SP for Vermouth. And we got the Detective or Inspector on the MR. So we get 3 hits card. Put these back where they are on these stacks here. So okay, so you get to get another pack of 3 cards, and they're all hits. That's a nice. There was this other one that gave you like one-touch top loaders and golden frame ones. So, not complaining. Okay, so we got a GR of Ray. That is a clean one. A nice blue and gold. I love those colors. We got this Hybrid Eye one we saw already on the SP. And we have another Vermouth on the... No, yeah, this is Vermouth. On the SP. So, I have no idea who this lady is then. Alright, that's Vermouth. SP. I'm pretty sure I'll figure it out later. Alright, so that is it. So thank you all for tuning to this part of the video. Hope you like these kind of videos. If you do, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Again, just to support the channel and get notification when a new video gets dropped. Hope you like these kind of videos. Thank you. Check out other videos on my channel. Again, we do unboxing other kind of cards. And yeah, so thank you again. As we always say here, embrace a little surprises in life. I mean, I had fun unboxing these cards. There are some that are hits and some that are not, but you know, that's how it is. All right, well then, thank you for joining. Thank you for tuning. Take care and catch you on the next video. Bye.